Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, guys, today I'm going to walk you guys through how to make money from the great platform I'm going to show you guys. Okay, on this platform for their YouTube channel, here we are on their YouTube channel, and they have 3,600 subscribers or 3,060 subscribers. I don't know. This platform has been existing since how many years now? At least this video is about 3 years ago. You can see it here at the bottom. So this platform has been existing about 3 years ago or over 3 years ago. Although I discovered this platform this year and I decided to invest with them. Uh, and now I say, okay, let me share this great opportunity with my fans so everybody can win. Yeah. But before I go further, a little bit of disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not in any good position of advising on how to invest your money. Because the internet is a high volatility platform or entity that's a lot of things actually going on. And if you want to invest online, please invest what you can afford to lose. So don't say I encourage you to do. Don't do because I'm doing. Do if your spirit actually accepts you to do. So now, this platform, before we dive in, let's see this platform, what they're
Introduce you to the
into.
6 steps to cassava weed management and best planting practices. We also listen to experts speak about the importance of cassava, the challenges of cassava production, and the impact of weed on cassava cultivation. The 6 steps to cassava weed management toolkit is available in paper and electronic formats, including videos in Nigerian languages like Igbo, Tiv, and Yoruba. Let's take a few minutes and listen to the toolkit in Yoruba.
Ǹjẹ́ o fẹ́ gbin ẹ̀gẹ́?
All right, guys, so you guys can see the a great innovation going out there, like what they are actually investing and using the money for. And that is why I said, okay, let me show you guys. So if you want to watch the
Kí
video
o sì
more,
jèrè rẹpẹtẹ.
you can watch all the videos, see all the things they are using, how they farm and the rest. Yeah, so let's dive into the platform. Here is the interface of the platform. You can see a lot of things, farming that you're putting in. And you want to watch the video when you're on the platform, go to this GPF video overview, and then it will take you to the YouTube channel that where you are going to watch that. And I think there has a YouTube button somewhere on the platform. So now how this platform works is this: you are going to come and invest on any of these packages that you're seeing here, and your money will be growing on the daily basis. Okay, and you can invest, withdraw your money. So these are the packages they have here, this Gary and the rest and the packages. And if you watch the video, they will show you where they are processing this Gary. You can see here is where they are washing it. So if you look, you see where they are bringing it from farm, and the rest is on the video. So now when you come down here, you can choose the package you want to invest on, and then it will calculate for you how much you're going to earn in a return. Invest 36,000 naira and earn 97,500 in a return. So and here you can read more about them, total of people on their platform and the rest. You're going to see it here, and then you can read more about their blog where they teach people agriculture as well on this their blog. So here are payment methods that they do accept. A lot of payment methods. You can go to read more about them by going to the about here. Then you can read a lot more about them, where you can see here, I think this is them, this is their registration. You can see they are registered with federal government, and read more about it. There you can see there. So now let me go to my own account. Here is my account, and inside my account here I have over 130 something thousand naira. Although how much did I invest? When I invested 180,000 naira. Okay, I invested 190,000. You can see it here. Deposit 190,000, investment 190,000. Total profit so far gotten is 144,600 profit. My daily investment bonus, you can see when I refer somebody, they give me 19,000 naira. Total people are referred, and my ranking and my referral bonus. So my referral bonus, I've earned over 30,000 naira from referring people. So you can make money from referring people as well, and they paid a good amount of money for referring people. So now let me take you guys to the withdrawal aspect. So before you withdraw, you come to this wallet exchange. First of all, before you withdraw, come to the wallet exchange. Make sure you select the profit wallet. So from profit wallet to main wallet, so I'm going to do 100,000 naira. So I'm going to do this 100,000 naira now. So let me click proceed. You can see I've converted 100,000 naira. Then I think I still have more money there. So I think I still have like 4,000 on that account. So let me go. I still have like 4,500 naira. So let me convert this 4,500 naira. So I'm going to proceed to exchange. You can see it here. So successful exchange it to my main wallet. So now, since I've exchanged to my main wallet, the next thing is to go ahead and withdraw this money. So I go to the withdraw section here. I come to the withdraw here. But for you that are investing for the first time, before you can withdraw, go to this withdraw account, and then when you click the withdraw account here, you add your account details. Select the manual transfer, then add your details. So I'm going to select here, say a bank transfer Naira, and I'm going to withdraw 136,000 because they're going to charge you some tax fee. So if I'm withdrawing this 140,000 plus, it will not go. If I'm withdrawing 136, my tax fee is going to be 8,160. So I'm going to click proceed to withdraw. So now I have successfully withdrawn this amount, 136,000 naira. As you can see, my main balance is remaining only 340 naira, for which they have paid for the tax fee. Now I'm only going to wait for this money to drop into my account. Okay, so I'm going to wait, and if I go to my dashboard now, on on the withdrawals, you see total withdrawal has not yet reflect because the money has not yet gone successfully. Okay, the money is still under pending, and that is why it has not yet gone successfully. You can see it here, withdraw. You can see withdraw with bank transfer Naira. See the ID here, withdraw status. You can see it here, pending. So this money is still under pending. So let me see before I'll show you guys around this video. Before I will do that, if this money will go, then um come see referral. Now when you come to deposit before investment, you come to click the deposit bar here. So when you click the deposit bar, you're going to select the gateway you want to select, gateway 1 or gateway 2, and then put in the amount. Minimum amount should be 5,000 naira. So put in like 5,000 naira, and then click proceed, and you can go ahead and withdraw your money and deposit your money. So when you deposit the money, you come down here, you can see invest now, and then click the invest and select the investment package you wish to invest on. Okay, you come and click the investment, put it on the investment package you wish to invest on, and that is actually how you can invest your money, and your money is going to speak for you. So then let me show you guys one thing again. What is that? I think schema deposit, referral. I think I'll talk about referral. So you go to the referral, then you can refer people to the system and also make money to yourself, guys. You go to the referral here, and you can make money. You can see I made over 30,000 naira. See here, copy your referral link to start referring people. So make your money. I think I have notification. We're going to check if the money. Oh wow! All right, I just received an alert. Let me look. Yeah, okay. You can see here they has paid the money successfully, 136,000 naira to my account. You can see, you can see it here, status successful. So it's just showed successful. So that is it. It's very quick for them paying your money. So, and that is why I really love using the platform, guys. It's very quick for you to withdraw your money. So what are you waiting for, guys? Dive in and start investing and make money to your bank account today. Upgrade on money. Don't stop asking for 100, 2K, 100, 1K. learn how to invest. So that's the end of the video for today. And if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash the like button and also share this video to your social platform. Don't forget to also drop your comment at the comment section, and again, use the link in the video description so I can earn commission when you register. Thank you guys for joining.